Hello, this is Alex with Grow How. On my series Drip 101, there's a question that people have been asking, and I thought I covered this, but I'm going to cover it more specifically in a one-only video for this. This is a conversion kit to turn a regular irrigation zone into a drip zone. Now, there are a few things you have to remember with this. One is, when you have a zone, something that's connected to a single valve, it's all got to water on the same kind of system. In this case, it's going to be drip. That means every head either needs to be converted to a drip converter, or it needs to be totally disconnected, capped off, whatever. Otherwise, you're going to get too much water in one area, not enough in another. And the point of this is efficiency, not to make more problems. So I want to take this apart again. And right here, you've got a fine mesh filter. It's especially important with really dirty water systems like mine. But also in this top part right here, you can see it in there. See how doesn't go all the way through? That's a pressure reducer. This I think it's going to take it down to 30 psi. That way you won't blow your system apart. It's all contained in this one system. This isn't a standard head. Now, if you happen to have the proper sized Rainbird head, you can actually take the top off, put the parts in place, and it'll work fine. But you've got to make sure you have all those guts in there, because those guts are what makes the system work. This connects to two 1/2 inch drip transportation lines. There's another word for it and I always forget. That's okay. And it just screws on here. If you have problems, you can actually unscrew this, because the screw on it has a pivot. So you can unscrew it and take the head out and just leave this in place. But again, to clarify, this has a pressure reducer on it. It has a filter on it. The only thing you need to make sure you do is hook up everything properly and make sure that anything that's not on drip is disconnected or converted to drip. If you have any more questions about that, hit me in the comments below. If you like this series of videos, if you want to learn more about good gardening and scientifically based gardening, please hit the subscribe button. That will bring up more suggestions for you, but you won't get notifications on it. So it's a low hassle way. If you see something you're interested in your suggestions, that's the way to get the interesting stuff you want. Anyway, thank you very much, and talk to you in a moment, because I got more to do today, but that'll be a different video.